Every human endeavor conceived by the mankind is about going the distance, going beyond one's potential and testing limits to perform better with every passing minute. As a leading producer and innovator in the clutch and brake pads for two-wheeler, three-wheeler category, Sakshi Industries is making all the right moves so that great designs move in all the right directions. Since its inception a decade ago, Sakshi Industries is going out of its way to establish itself as a name to reckon with as OEM for two-wheeler, three-wheeler manufacturers. Being associated with market leaders have given them a great stature and market standing of repute. With a rich experience and products backed by a decade of great craftsmanship, Sakshi Industries is going from strength to strength with every passing day.
For all of us at Sakshi Industries, our motto over the years has been steadily resolved towards innovating with every passing day and clearly differentiating from the market. This has clearly made us focused and viable for years to come, and we firmly believe that in the near future we can charter various journeys and accomplish our goals with aplomb.
Driven by a robust infrastructure and state-of-the-art facilities, Sakshi Industries has pioneered many firsts in the industry, paving the way for excellence and products that hold a lot of promise for the future.
The journey to greater goals, accomplishments and landmark has taken a new turn at Sakshi Industries. Every day, every hour brings something new and challenging for everyone involved with making this dream big. We thank everyone who is involved with us and share our vision. It's a long way ahead. We are ready for it and prepared for the future.
The entity believes in leaving no stone unturned in pursuit of excellence, putting every bit behind every product for greater results. Manned by some of the best brains in the business, it has a competent R&D wing that takes care of all the innovations and newer thinking to take Sakshi Industries to greater heights. Its eclectic range has been admired by the automotive industry and has found many admirers with its penchant for great range and quality deliverance. Behind all these are the ones who have manned the units, toiling hard day and night to deliver the very best. We take immense pride in the strength and caliber of our manpower and our engineers who have it in them to go the distance. Not just India, Sakshi Industries has extended its footprints beyond countries and continents. What started out a dream is today realized across various countries with pride and confidence. It's been a decade of fulfilling promises and achieving beyond numbers. With an unprecedented 200% growth, it has set a benchmark for others to follow towards excellence and newer possibilities. With Sakshi Industries, no boundary is small and no target is beyond reach. as it moves into another decade of newer possibilities. Sakshi Industries is making every move into a realization of a possible dream.